The SNP are lying to you. In a recent begging letter they sent to their members, they said to vote SNP 1 and SNP 2 and for no other party, including the Greens, who they've entered into a coalition with. Voting for other parties after giving the SNP your first preference votes does not stop SNP councillors from getting elected. It only stops other independence parties and allows unionists to take up council seats. Why would the SNP want this? Nicola Sturgeon doesn't want you to vote for other pro-independence parties because this challenges the hegemony of the SNP. But you didn't have to take my word for it. Here's the Electoral Commission to explain how single transferable voting works.
You're about to vote at the council elections in Scotland. But might things be slightly different to what you expect? In this election, the voting system used is called single transferable vote. Here's the lowdown. Each council in Scotland is divided into smaller areas called wards. Depending on the ward you live in, you will be voting to elect anywhere between 1 and 5 councillors. You may already know that you need to number the candidates on your ballot paper in order of your choice. But do you know how the votes are counted and how people get elected? To be elected under this voting system, a candidate must reach a set amount of votes, known as the quota. So what is the quota? The quota is calculated by dividing the total number of valid votes cast by the number of seats to be elected plus 1 seat. A 1 is then added to that result. For example, with 500 ballot papers and 4 seats to be filled, the quota would be 101. The votes are counted in stages. Stage 1. Only first preferences are counted. Anyone who reaches the quota is elected. Stage 2. Any votes received for a candidate above the quota are transferred to the next choice on each of those ballot papers. If no candidate has enough votes to reach the quota, the candidate with the lowest number of votes is eliminated. Stage 3. All of their votes are passed to the next preference on those ballot papers. This process is repeated until all seats up for election have been filled and your councillors have been elected. Got it? Great work!